Hey everyone, it's Tom here with thisonlineworld.com, and we're all having a fantastic day today. So I cover and test out paid survey sites all the time, and one newer and global survey site in the industry that caught my attention is called HeyPiggy. So this free survey website is available in dozens of countries, and according to its website, it's already paid out more than $10 million in rewards to its members. But is HeyPiggy a scam or is it legit? Does it actually pay out users? Well, I decided to sign up for HeyPiggy to test it out, and this HeyPiggy review is covering how it works, its earning potential, and how you could ultimately decide if it's worth using. Let's get to it. All right, so what exactly is HeyPiggy? Well, like I mentioned, it's a newer and free survey website that lets you make money by completing surveys in your spare time. Now, what's nice about HeyPiggy off of the bat is that it's available in dozens of countries, including many in Europe, Asia, Africa, and it's also in North America and Australia. And guys, it's a pretty straightforward, simple survey site. It lets you earn PayPal cash and dozens of different free gift cards in exchange for completing short surveys about, standard topics like sports, entertainment, consumer goods, stuff like that. The platform also recently launched an Android and iOS app, and again, overall, it's a pretty stock standard survey site. It has some decent rewards, so let's take a look under the hood to see how it actually works when you're a member and how much money you can make. All right, so how does HeyPiggy work exactly? Well, just right off of the bat, you can sign up for free with your Google account or with an email. Again, you don't have to pay to join HeyPiggy. It's a free survey site. Once you sign up, you complete a few questions to finish off your profile, and you can then answer available surveys that are on your main dashboard. Now, as you can see from my dashboard right here, I like that there's, right off of the bat, plenty of surveys to answer, and surveys also tell you how much they pay and how long they take on average. On top of that, there's also a star rating system. So when you finish a survey on HeyPiggy, you can rate the experience if it was, a very good survey or if it was kind of glitchy, and that helps other users find the best surveys for them. But yeah, as you can see my dashboard, guys, a lot of the surveys pay anywhere from about 50 cents to $1, but you can find surveys paying $2 to $3 or even more, which I thought was kind of cool because not every survey platform has those higher paying surveys. There's also a fun little piggy bank that slowly fills up as you, reach your first cash out requirement. So again, super simple, tells you how much the surveys pay, time requirement, and you can track your earnings pretty easily. Now, like other survey sites, one important thing to note is that you can get disqualified when attempting a survey. This happened to me a fair bit actually when I was first using HeyPiggy. It got a little bit better as I used the platform more, but it was a bit frustrating in the beginning. But at the very least, HeyPiggy usually gives you a few pennies if you attempt a survey and get disqualified. But just keep this in mind, guys, because pretty much every survey site has disqualification, so it can be a little bit annoying at times. All right, so how much does HeyPiggy pay, and what are some realistic earning expectations? Well, like I mentioned, a lot of surveys on the platform pay 50 cents to $1, although you can find ones that pay a little bit more. Overall, you're probably looking at about $4 to $5 per hour, but really how much you earn depends on, the survey rates you find, if you get disqualified or not, and kind of how speedy you are. Like I mentioned, I did get disqualified a few times, but it still really didn't take me that long to cash out my first $5 reward. And yeah, I would say earning, $3, $4, $5 an hour in your spare time with HeyPiggy is pretty reasonable. So again, not a full-time job, just an easy to use side hustle for some extra cash. All right, so cashing out and rewards. How do you redeem your earnings on HeyPiggy, and what can you redeem them for? Well, HeyPiggy says it lets you redeem your rewards starting at $1 in a lot of countries. Now, I tested out the platform in Canada, and a lot of my rewards started at $5, but again, this is a pretty reasonable rate and pretty standard in the paid survey space. You can also redeem your earnings for PayPal cash, which I really love, and HeyPiggy also offers dozens of free gift cards to companies like Amazon, Sephora, Best Buy, IKEA, Uber, and Walmart. Gift card codes are sent electronically, and now when I tested out HeyPiggy, I decided to cash out via PayPal. It paid me really quickly. It, didn't take that long at all. It is legit and it pays. I can't confirm it's, not scamming you and taking your money or anything like that. So yeah, overall, very decent rewards, a reasonable cash out rate. And again, it's super, super simple to use. So it's a pretty decent site in my opinion. All right, now the pros and cons. Why would you use HeyPiggy and why might you skip this survey platform? Well, the first pro I want to mention is just the number of surveys available. I signed up, my dashboard was full of surveys, and it's pretty much always been full of surveys. The second pro just has to be that HeyPiggy is fairly globally friendly. It's available in dozens of different countries. It continues to expand, so it's always nice to see with a survey site. And the third pro is just the rewards. I mean, there's PayPal cash, there's dozens of gift cards, so it pretty much has everything you would want in a survey site. Now, as for the cons, the first one just has to be the disqualifications. Again, this happens with every survey site. I found that when I started using HeyPiggy, it was a little bit worse at the beginning and then got a bit better as I answered surveys. So just keep that in mind in case you have a similar experience. And the second con with HeyPiggy, it's a smaller one, but right now, at least when I was testing out the platform, there was no referral bonus. So there was no way for me to invite some friends or some people I know to join the platform to earn bonuses or any kind of sign up bonus for them. So I hope HeyPiggy adds something like that in the near future. I think they will because it's still built in the platform. Like you can find your referral link. It just doesn't say you have rewards at the moment. So hopefully that changes. But anyways, guys, what is the scam or legit score for HeyPiggy? Well, I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5 for this one. I know I've been giving a lot of 4 out of 5s lately. globally, and I think HeyPiggy kind of fits the bill. You know, it has decent rates, it has really good rewards, it's easy to use, and it's globally friendly. Personally, I would stack HeyPiggy with something like a Prime Opinion or a Branded Surveys, you know, mix in some of those other high-paying survey sites, and if you're answering a few surveys each day, like bounce between the 3 or 4 sites that you're using, so you kind of cherry pick the highest paying surveys. Will HeyPiggy let you quit your day job or make you thousands of dollars? No, but I think most people can probably make 50 to 100 bucks per month with this platform if they answer a few surveys per day in their spare time. Anyways, guys, that does it for this one. I hope HeyPiggy works for you if you decide to check it out. I'm going to be linking HeyPiggy down below, as well as my review on thisonlineworld.com if you want to learn more. And I'm also going to be linking my guide with the highest paying survey sites that contains over 10 of my favorite and high paying survey sites I've tested over the years. So if you're looking for survey side hustles, come to the right place, and I hope that guide helps you out. But yeah, that does it for this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a fantastic day and week. And as always, don't forget to check out thisonlineworld.com for more unique ways to make and save money. Catch you guys in the next one.